Remember that time I made a Pillars themed puzzle box? I made a version 2. So this one is technically the same dimensions as the last one, just with a few added tidbits. Like, it's not completely sand color. We've got a bit of brown in there, light brown. Mostly got these from the Minecraft sets though, so if you got them yourself, then by all means go ahead. And it also has the relative same things to do as the last one. So let's see right here. You can pull this little thingy out, and you'll see a little spot. Out of there comes a little. I don't know what this is called. I'm still going to call it a key. And on the other side, you can pull this out. There's a little hole in there for you to put the key. And a bit of pushing, you will get this. Bingo. Now you can push it through into here. That's as far as it goes. So what we do? Well, you get this little piece from earlier and just stick it in here. And there you go. And once you get that out, and this, you push it a little more, and then up it goes. Out it comes, and inside, your wonderful little prize. I prefer to do coins, since they're the only things that can fit. If you got like golden bricks or whatever, you can put that in there too. I'm not sure if they make them that small. Anyway, to fix it, just put this in, back in its spot. Ooh, it broke. That might happen. It's not really, it's pretty fragile, that's what I'm trying to say. So, this goes this way. Yep, I got it in correctly. Now I'll put everything back in. Well, let's put it like this. And put this little thing back in the spot to conceal the hole. And then this little, yeah. Oh wait, oh, I'll put this in first. And with that, it is done. And now we've got a nice little pillar. Now the additions I made are like these pieces, this little piece right here, and the things on the sides. See, it looks kind of professional. Not professional enough. That's pretty loose. But yeah. You thought I was done. Incorrect. I made another one. This one is based off an idea that I haven't really showcased yet, but I've made a couple variants of. This one is a 4x12. Yeah, 4x12. And it's a mix of a bunch of things, to be honest. So, to use it, to start it off, you might notice that this is it's moving a bit. How do you move it? Well, you gotta look around. Look at this. This is popped out. Where? Put this. Notice it's been a while since I touched it, so I've kind of forgotten, so we were just gonna wing it. But look, and put this in here, kinda, and this pops out. If you take it out, come in here, there's some, and you push that back in. Look at that. And you can put this little piece in here, push it, out this comes. Right? And there's a little space in here for you to put your lovely little key. Where do we put the key? That hose doesn't look big. Neither does that one. Oh, we gotta keep searching till you'll see that this spot right here, it comes out. And you can push this in from here, and inside there is your nice little hole to put your key. And there's your money. Oh, there it is. $200 right up your alley. Now the simpler part, resetting. Push this back in, take out your key, boop, boop. In goes the key back in this little spot right there. Oh no, on. There you go. Now in tight it goes, and in this goes. It's a little loose though, I don't know why. And with your thing placed back in there, seamless. So there you have it. 2 new puzzle boxes. I might do a little tutorial for these if I'm not lazy. I might do a tutorial for this one since this one's easier to explain, kinda, or I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later, maybe in the tutorial. Who knows? Okay, later.